Welcome back to our livestock farming. In this episode, I'll walk you through how we're slowly building up our livestock area. As you'll see from the previous episodes, we've already completed half of the cow sheds, and today we're working on the second half. I'll show you how we're also preparing shelter for the goats, separating the young calves and using the land wisely. It's all about doing what we can with what we have, so let's dive into the layout and the progress so far.
Magic mix. Call it the magic.
Fuze yuko agira neza kuri kose sinobambeshe siyo naba biwe oya.
If you haven't already done so, like and subscribe to this channel so that we may continue to grow and learn from one another. Now, if you've been following on this journey, then you will know that I've already presented you with the farm layout. But now, it is time that we dive deeper into why space is crucial in order for the cows to thrive. And not only that, there's also other notable aspects that are important, such as the lighting, the ventilation, the airflow, the drainage, and other things that are necessary in order for the cows to really be stress-free and live in a comfortable area. Let's dive into it. Each room on this farm layout is specifically allocated for a unique purpose in order to improve the efficiency, the cow welfare, and the farm management. And it's a clear separation of functions as it reduces the spread of diseases and makes daily operations smoother and improves monitoring. First up, we have the labor area, which is used for giving birth and caring for pregnant cows in a clean, safe, and low-stress environment, and it is equipped to handle emergencies and provide special attention during the labor. Next up, we have the storage room, which is where we store our animal feed, veterinary medicines, and tools. And also, because it's enclosed, it helps us protect our supplies from pests, moisture, and contamination, and also ensures quick access when we need it. Next is the isolation and vet area, which is the quarantine zone for the sick and newly introduced cows to prevent disease transmission, and it allows easy veterinary care and observation, which also minimizes stress and the risk for the rest of the herd. Moving on to the restrooms, there's a total of 22 restrooms for the cows to ensure comfort and to avoid overcrowding. Enough space for cows to lie down and get up safely, which helps to maintain the hygiene and reduce injuries or stress. We designed it this way for efficiency, for the animal welfare, for biosecurity, and for flexibility. And keep note that rooms can be repurposed temporarily during seasonal or emergency needs.
You're perfect in disguise. I never seen another girl where they make me feel the way that you make me do. It be like say when I'm around you, girl, you just do me voodoo. You put me for that Cankuzo, another girl, no fit put me to. I never put me to. I'm a little child, I'm in love with the way that you move, and nobody be like energy. Captivating, yeah. Do me well, no. Look into my eyes, this feeling that I'm feeling. have you know what I do me. Mystical, not regular. The kind of girl I want to make my wife. She have you know, baby, see, hold me down now, See, never let go, cause your body give me energy. Sweet past Menalin. Yeah. Sweet past Menalin. Davina, you're perfect in disguise. I never seen another girl where they make me feel the way that you make me do. It be like say when I'm around you, girl, you just do me voodoo. You put me for that Cankuzo, and another girl no fit put me too. I never put me too. I'm a little, I'm in love with the way that you move.
Understanding the exact dimensions of each livestock shed is essential for effective farm management. By taking into account the cow size, breed, age, it could help us to determine the space allocation for the cow. Now, in this instance, our cows require a minimum of 6 square meters per cow for the adult cows. Now, it could be less for the young ones. Make sure that to reduce stress and improve hygiene, we need to make sure that the cows are getting enough space in order to thrive. Now, turning our attention to the length and the width of the cattle sheds combined. The length is just a little over 60 meters, while the width is just a little over 10 meters, which brings us to an area of 600 square meters, which is inclusive of the sheds for the goats, which I'll be touching on in the next episode. So please stay tuned, like and subscribe, and follow the journey. hari abantu bavuga ngo ukeneye uburyo bwinshi bwo dutangura mugabo ndashaka kubereka ko burya mu ntango nta bintu byinshi biba bikenewe, ibihari nibyo ukoresha. Aha urabona dufite imirima, turimo turakora ibyatsi by'inka, hano tubandanye. Nshaka nabwo twavuze kare turundamo umwavu w'inka. Naweretse ahantu inka ziba, nababwiye igituma ngaha zitobananya ziba ngaha. N'akararo ngaha urabona ko amazi agari igihe akarerema gaca tabuka agasashi. Mugabo hera urabona mugabo nashatse kubereka n'ahantu twifuza ko inka zizokwimuka hameze neza kandi hazofise ibiti bikomeye n'amabati akomeye kugira n'imvura niyagwa inka zizogume ziri ahantu hameze neza. Yego, reka ndabereka ahantu twifuza ko inka zizokwimuka. You do me things, do me well, no. She have to give me green light when I'm feeling blue. She have to make me feel right. Oh, after this night, she gon' no sit back, my sweet eye. Oh, blue eyes, you too fine. If you kill a man, got to kiss time just to make you all mine. We did down all night, you did bust my mind. Ting dong, like it the way that shit go. Johnny nabishize kuri video.